Hi, I'm Hannah, and today we're going to be exploring how to log into Satchel One as a student and parent. There are a few different ways you can log into Satchel One, and your school will have chosen their preference and communicated this to you. I'm afraid we at Satchel can't provide you with login details. If you still need help after watching this video, please do reach out to your school, who can provide you with the information that you need. Your school may have asked you to sign in with your Office 365, Google or RM Unify account. Just click on your chosen option and then fill in your details as usual to access your account. They also may have asked you to use your usual school login details. These are the details that you use to unlock your computer. Simply enter your school username and password. Your school may have given you a PIN, which you'll need to log in for the first time. You can only use this PIN once to create a new password and gain access to your account. Then it will expire. Select the Student tab of the login page, then choose the I don't have an account yet option. Fill in all of the details required, including the PIN that you've been given. Your account is now set up. From now on, you can access your account using your email and chosen password. Check your details and create your own password now, which you'll use for all future logins. Parents can find their student's PIN via their app. Choose Settings, Student Management, and tap on the relevant student to see their recovery PIN. Alternatively, parents can use the web browser, visit the Select Students area and click Show Student PIN. The login experience on our mobile app is very similar and requires all of the same information. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to search for your school. Then simply enter your login details or use your single sign-on methods as normal. Click on the Forgot Password button at any time to receive a password reset email. If you see this message, it means your school has disabled password resets because they're using a different login method instead. Here's what you can do. If your school typically accesses other services using Office 365, Google or RM Unify, click the relevant option and enter your details. Alternatively, try logging in with your usual school login details. These are the details that you use to unlock your computer. If your school email address or username isn't found, this means we don't have your email address on the system just yet. Here's what you can do. Do you have an alternative school email address or perhaps a personal email? Please try that too. Otherwise, you can ask your parent for a recovery PIN or contact your school for help. Parents and guardians will have received a parent code from the school, allowing them to link to their child's account. Students can also visit their account settings on the web browser at any time to find their parent code too. If you haven't already created an account, go to the browser, select the Parent tab, and click I don't have an account yet. Fill out the details including the parent code you've been given, and then confirm which child you're linking your account to. You'll then be able to choose your new password, which you'll use for all future logins. You may see a message that your PIN or parent code has expired. Remember that students and parents can assist each other with replacement login details as shown earlier, or you can contact your school. Once again, while we can't provide you with login details, you can reach out to your school who'll be able to provide you with the information you need. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful.